Hey y'all, as promised, I'm jumping on here to give you guys a review of my new hair care bestie, the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer in sleek Prussian blue and rich copper. So first things first, let's talk about why this $400+ beauty gadget is worth every penny. With Dyson's air multiplier technology, you can say goodbye to waiting ages to dry your hair. It blasts out a high pressure jet of precisely controlled air, drying your hair at supersonic speed. And you can see that's the case because I just finished one section in 1 minute and 54 seconds, and you guys are gonna see I am able to finish the complete opposite side of my head in 8 minutes. Yeah, wow, because I literally cannot believe it. So this is a clip of my hair and what it looks like right after the blowout, and this is after I decided to give it a trim. That's exactly why I wanted the Dyson, because I wanted to get my hair as straight as possible so that I could get rid of those dead ends, and this thing absolutely did the job. And what about those hair nightmares we've all faced, such as frizz, flyaways, heat damage? The Dyson Supersonic tackles them head on. It's engineered to protect your hair. It leaves your tresses 75% smoother, 132% shinier, and reduces frizz by an impressive 61%. No lie, y'all. And at $400, you best believe I am using this on my extensions, and you guys can see side by side there is a massive difference when using the Flyaway attachment, and my god, it sprays look so good. Like frizz wear. I cannot believe how good my hair on my head and also the hair that I purchased looks. And speaking of attachments, this baby comes with 5 attachments to enhance your drying and styling. You're not just drying hair, you are sculpting art. Go from straight to curly to wavy, all without breaking a sweat or a strand. In less than 20 minutes, your hair can go from I can't even right now to I can't believe my hair looks this good in under 20 minutes. At just 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, and although this hair dryer is high-tech, it is not complicated to use. It has 4 heat settings, 3 setting speeds, and a design that screams very fancy. Investing in the Dyson Supersonic isn't just treating yourself, it's changing the game for your hair routine. Fast drying, no heat damage, and a style that lasts. What more can you ask for?